What's up, everybody? It's the Spunky One from,
I craft everything.
and today we are discussing where to purchase your material. As a new creator, it is definitely challenging to know what to get and where to start. So, we are going to talk about the top 3 places where you can purchase your material to get started and the difference between the three. First stop, we are at our local hobby store. This can be a Joann or a Michaels or a Hobby Lobby if you have them in your area. As you can see, my local store has an abundance of supplies, different types of material, different machine types. It also has paper. We have an assortment of practically everything you can think of to go with your corresponding machine. Now, the material that we're looking at currently is the Cricut Infusible ink. They match the t-shirts and the tote bags that you see here. You can purchase these items. A lot of times they are on sale. Sometimes they're not. It just depends on your local store. And if you keep searching, you can also find machines and coffee mugs, coasters, practically everything that you'll need. But you'll also find that this material is a little pricey. But don't worry, there are other options that you can choose from, and we'll discuss them here. Sometimes your local store will also have their own store brand. Their store brand can be either mats or tools or cutting devices, practically anything. It just kind of depends on the location that you're going to. For this particular store, as you can see, they have their own individual tools that you can use when you are making your products. Let's get a good look at some of the prices so you can kind of get an idea of what you may be spending. Please keep in mind that the prices will vary based off of the market, but as you can see, some of the prices are a little bit steep. $27 for a tool set, $54. But the good thing is you can also buy your machines here. So if you're in the market for a new machine, don't worry, just ask your salesperson and they will help you. I know they will be glad to share that with you.
I craft everything.
It is so much stuff to choose from, you guys. You can create cups, you can create t-shirts, onesies, coasters, coffee mugs. There are so many different things that you can consider creating in a store like this. You literally have so many ideas, it's really hard. So before you make the decision on what you want to create, it is important that you decide for certain what you'd like to try. Please keep in mind that anytime you create something, there's always a chance that you'll mess it up. So don't worry. If you mess it up, just start the project over and try it again. You never know how it can turn out.
I craft everything.
They even have boxes at the top of the aisle, y'all, to place more products when it runs out. This store has an abundance of supplies. So stop by your local craft store if you're looking to see what you can create. Up next, we're going to go to a local super center, which has a significantly smaller selection of what you can choose from, and the prices are slightly cheaper than they were at the craft store. These products very rarely, if ever, have a weekly sale. The prices are kind of what you see them listed as, and they, of course, vary by the market. But sometimes they do go on clearance, so be on the lookout for that if you're ever shopping for groceries. I always just go to the craft section just to see if they have anything on sale or anything I could use. Or sometimes you might have a quick order and you might just need to pick up a couple coffee mugs, and voila, they're right here for you to grab, and they're cheaper than they are at the hobby store. Up next, we are going to go to the Mecca of Creation. This is a local vinyl shop in my area. They have a ton of everything. The assortment of HTV, 651 vinyl, t-shirts, onesies, hats. My gosh, you name it, they probably have it here. In addition to that, the prices are so much cheaper for the exact same type of vinyl that you would get if you were to purchase that from a craft store or a super center. You can find a abundance of colors and textures and designs for your HTV. There's literally no limit. So if you are just feeling extremely creative, or you want to venture out and see what the world has to offer, I would suggest finding a local vinyl shop in your area. Trust me, they will have an assortment that you cannot deny. This can be a little bit overwhelming, so please be prepared to know exactly what you're looking for when you go in, because it is so easy to spend a couple $100s real quick. Trust me, I know. But the good thing is you get way more for your money, and they don't even have to mark things on sale. But in this case, they did. So I would suggest checking around your local area. And also, if you are new and do not have your business credentials in order, just make sure that you're able to shop without having that stuff in place, because you don't want to get to the cash register and not be able to complete your purchase. That would suck. Take a look at the top shelves, y'all. Can you believe they still have more stock to put out, even though the store was filled with items? Look at the prices for some of these things. You could not buy that at your local craft shop or your local super center for these prices. Y'all, I'm telling you, check out your local vinyl shops to see what it is that they have to offer. I'm sharing this stuff with y'all because I didn't have anybody to share it with me. I really wish I did, but y'all, I am telling you, I wasted so much money in vinyl and t-shirts and materials when I could have literally been saving money. It's so much to choose from. The quality in both the apparel and the HTV and permanent vinyl is amazing. I've never had a complaint, and they go up to plus size. So stop at your local vinyl shop or check their online web store to see if they have that as an option. And thanks so much for watching our channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're happy you came. Bye.